In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document to OneDrive. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to store your document safely in the cloud so you can access it from any device, share it easily, and keep your work backed up. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You can work with a brand new blank document or open something you've already been editing. Once your document is on screen, head to the very top left corner of Word and look for the File tab. This is where Word keeps all the options related to opening, saving, exporting, and printing. Click File to open the Backstage view. From here, choose Save As. Save As is helpful because it lets you decide exactly where the document should live and what it should be called, instead of just saving over whatever's there already. When the Save As options appear, select OneDrive as the location. Depending on your setup, you might see OneDrive listed for a personal account or for your organization. Pick the OneDrive you want to use. If Word asks you to sign in, that simply means you're not currently connected. Go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account to link Word to your OneDrive. Once you're signed in, Word can save directly to your cloud storage, and your files will sync across devices. Next, give your file a clear name in the file name box. Use something descriptive that you'll recognize later, and consider including a short keyword or date to make it easier to find. If a folder list appears, you can choose a specific folder within your OneDrive to keep things organized, but if you're not sure, saving to the main documents area works just fine. Now click Save. That's it, the document is stored in OneDrive. You'll typically see OneDrive or a small cloud icon near the document title bar, which is a good sign that your file is cloud-based. From here on, when you continue working, pressing the standard Save shortcut will update the version in OneDrive, and if autosave is available and turned on in your copy of Word, changes may sync automatically as you type. To recap, open your document in Word, go to File, choose Save As, select OneDrive, confirm you're signed in, name the file, and click Save. With these quick actions, your work is secure, organized, and ready wherever you are.